Happy Labor Day weekend, everyone. Well, here she is. This is the replacement for the R7. Got rid of that one about 2.5 months ago. Please understand that the opinions are mine. I was just never going to be happy with that bike. You know, I did the ECU flash, full exhaust, all sorts of little things, and just never felt like it was going to be more than what it was. You know, it's a great starter bike in my opinion, but if you've ever ridden a true super sport, I think you're going to be bored with it. You know, Yamaha did do some good things with the R7. I will say that. You know, the how nimble it felt was great. You know, I did like the low end torque on it, but what was driving me nuts is no matter what I did to it, it just never felt like it was going to be more than what it is. You know, and I asked myself, how much money do I want to put into that bike to get very little improvement out of it? So went down to G-Force when they found out they got this one that just came in on the truck. We got to talking, and you know, they gave me $9,100 for my R7, which is pretty much what I paid for it. Mine is obviously taxes and dealer fees and all that stuff, and I cut my losses. You know, the R7 suspension, in my opinion, was probably the biggest gripe I had with it. No matter what I did, I couldn't get it to dial in properly, and I told myself, how much money was I going to put into it? I'm seeing guys out there putting, you know, $3,000 in suspension into a $9,000 bike. Well, next thing you know, you're spending 12 grand on it, and you could have picked up yourself an R6, and a leftover R6, or even a used one, and had a better starting, you know, chassis and bike than what you're getting with the R7. Now, the R7 is a good streetable bike. You know, I can't say track wise because I never got the chance to take it on the track. I will give it credit where credit is due, though. You know, for that thing weighing 415 pounds, you know, she really came in and felt lighter than it actually was. It was crazy. I will give Yamaha credit there, but what else I didn't like was the fact it just ran out of steam. You know, you would hit that 10,200 and all of a sudden the rev limiter's kicking in. It was just a boring bike in my opinion. So I went with something I know, went back to an R1, and I got plans for this one. You know, I got the frame sliders, got new Vortex rear sets, I got ASV levers, new windscreen, and my goal with this one is to try to keep it as stock looking as possible. I'm probably even going to keep that stock canister and just do the M4 mid pipe and go from there. But you know, this bike is everything that I've wanted, and I'm happy with it. I mean, I've only had it for 2.5 months, and it's got almost 3 times the mileage as the R7 did when I got rid of it. So let me know in the comments if you guys want to see install vids, or if you just want straight up honest reviews like always. You know, tell me your thoughts on the R7 if you're an owner and what you think. You know, what are the hits and what are the misses? I would like to hear everyone's opinion. But yeah, let me know. And thanks for checking out the video, guys. More to come.